Hello everyone, once again we've got another Auxito video. This time they've actually sent me the brake light bulbs I wanted to test in the first episode of their lighting series. So we're going to go ahead and test out this version versus this version. And I'll go ahead and do it side by side in these lamps, and then I'll go ahead and take them out on the Clubman and do them in the lamps out there, and we'll see what the response looks like on the car. They also sent me a few extra lights. These ones are for the side marker lights. These are amber. So I'll go ahead and fit these and see what they look like. And they also sent me some dome lights as well. So I'll go ahead and fit one of these to the dome light and see what I think. But let's go ahead and get this set up so we can start out with the brake light test first. Now, the reason I asked for these lights previously is because I thought they actually had a better sort of design to the lamp in terms of the way that the light was being projected versus this. Now, when I did a test on these last time, I noticed that the difference between the running lights and the brake lights, it was not as much of a step as I was expecting. It's still plenty fine, but I think that an incandescent has a much larger step, so it's almost more obvious that you're braking versus this one didn't have quite as much of a step. So that's why I asked them to send me this, because I think these have a better look about them. So we'll go ahead and fit them into these housings. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fit this one to the left hand side, and I'm going to go ahead and fit this one to the right hand side, and we'll just compare them and see what they look like. All right, so let's do this quick side by side comparison. Running lights, brake lights, running, brake. All right, so let's test it with the lenses fitted. So there's the running lights, brake lights, running lights, brake lights. So my initial assessment is that the one on the right looks fuller in the lens than the one on the left. The one on the left, you can kind of see all the little lights. The one on the right, you really can't see it. You can see the reflection ring kind of glowing, but you can't see the lenses themselves. And when I switch it into brake light mode, once again, this one on the right, again, seems fuller, like around the outside, versus this one seems a little thinner. And yeah, so I think I like the way this one looks on the right. But color-wise, they look identical. I think they have about the same step in brightness. I was hoping they have a little bit different step, but I think that's probably okay. But I do like the way that these ones on the right look a little bit more. So let me take these out to the Clubman, fit them to the Clubman, and we'll redo this test and see what I think once I've fitted it to those lamps, because those lamps are Mark I style, so they're slightly different than these later Mark II, Mark III type. So let's go ahead and fit them and see what they look like. So before we leave the bench, I'm just going to do a quick test of the other two lights just to see what they look like. So here's the dome lamp. Wow, that's really bright, but it's also kind of blue. So we'll see what this looks like when it's fitted to the car. Now let's go ahead and test out the amber ones. So yeah, they're pretty amber, pretty yellow. It's a nice color. We'll have to see what these look like when fitted to the lamps, because obviously they're going on top of a yellow-orange lens. So that may affect the color of this a little bit. But yeah, looks pretty good so far. Again, it's for a side marker light, but let's test it out. So I'm just going to turn on the brake lights real quick so we get a baseline for what these look like. On. Okay, and then now what I'm going to do is I'm going to change out, I think, the one on the right, so we'll have a side-by-side comparison. All right, I fitted the bulb on this side, so let's go ahead and retest. Brakes, brakes, brakes. All right, now here's the thing that I was complaining about a little while ago, and that was the difference between running lights and brake lights. So I'm going to turn on the running lights, and we'll compare both these side by side. So that should be running lights. Brakes, brakes, brakes. All right, here's an up-close shot of the left-hand side with the old bulb. Here's an up-close shot on the right-hand side with the new bulb. brakes, brakes, brakes. Well, after all that, I don't know if I can tell the difference. I think they both react the same. This one you can clearly see the division between the two halves of the circuit board. That one you can clearly see the LEDs individually. So I'm not sure which one's better or worse. I think they're both quite bright, quite useful. So it's hard to say which one is better or worse. But you guys answer that question in the comments. Let me know what you think. Because I sure can't tell. All right, so I've got the signals on, and this is the standard incandescent on this side marker lamp. So here's the bulb without the housing fitted. Now I'll go ahead and fit the housing. Looks brighter. You can see it's a little more concentrated with the lighting here. I think it's an improvement. It certainly looks better. So I do want to point out one thing during this video. I did have to change both the hazard flasher and the signal flasher from mechanical types to a full electronic LED compatible flasher unit, because once I changed out those side marker lamps, I lost enough resistance in the system to trip these units, so I did require a change to the flasher. But these are readily available and cheap, so they also work really well because they're digital, and you can actually adjust the frequency that they flash at with a little small screwdriver. So you get to choose how fast or slow they flash. So that's kind of cool. All right, so the last thing I need to try out is the dome lamp. So here is the incandescent. As you can see, I pull the lamp cover off. And I'm gonna go ahead and switch this out for the LED. If I can do it one-handed. There we go. And let's see what it looks like with the LED. Wow, that's really bright. Okay, I get the cover on here. So that's what it looks like with the LED. I think it's a bit too blue. It's really bright, but I think it's just a bit too blue. So, okay, well, I'm glad I tried it. There you have it, guys. Full set of LED taillights from Auxito. Let me know what you think in the comments below on this light versus that light, and what I should do next with the lighting system. They don't actually make these lamps down here with the license plate. These are unique size, so I'm not going to be changing these for now. But if I find a supplier for a good LED bulb, I will. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys soon.